Today we're making a super easy, super satisfying version of that classic picnic favorite, suddenly salad. But we're doing it the homemade way, no box required. To start, I'm cooking up 2 cups of small shell pasta. I like to use shells because they hold on to all that creamy goodness. Cook them until they're just tender, then rinse them under cold water or give them an ice bath to stop the cooking process. While those are cooling off, let's mix up our dressing. In a bowl, I'm starting with 1/2 cup of mayo. If you like it creamier, go ahead and bump that up just a bit. Then add in 1 packet of ranch seasoning, 1/3 cup of bacon bits, and give it a good mix. Now it's time to bring it all together. Add the cooled pasta, 1/2 cup of shredded carrots, and 1 cup of peas, fresh or frozen, just make sure that they're thawed. Then stir it all up until everything is coated and looking delicious. Cover it up and let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour for the best flavor. Or, if you're impatient like me, go ahead and dig in right away. And that's it! A simple crowd-pleasing salad that's perfect for potlucks, barbecues, or a quick lunch on a hot day. Let me know in the comments if you've ever made your own version of Suddenly Salad and what fun add-ins that you use. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any more easy recipes just like this one.